Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix suspicious activity on your Google account. If Google blocked your sign-in, sent a security alert, or said unusual activity was detected, yeah, this full guide for 2026 will help you secure your account. First, open the security alert email from Google or go directly to your Google account security page. This is where Google shows what suspicious activity was detected. Now, review recent sign ins and activity. Look for devices, locations, or actions you don't recognize because that's usually the issue. If Google asks you to secure your account, follow the steps shown. This usually includes confirming it's you and blocking suspicious access. Next, change your Google account password immediately. Use a strong, unique password, something you haven't used anywhere else. After that, remove any unknown devices or third-party apps connected to your account. If you don't recognize it, yeah, remove it. Make sure your recovery phone number and email are correct and active. This helps you recover your account faster if something happens again. To prevent future suspicious activity, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra security check whenever someone tries to sign in. And yeah, that's how to fix suspicious activity on your Google account in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.